Important dates in aviation: 1783, first successful hot air balloon flight event. The Montgolfier brothers, Joseph Michel and Jacques-Étienne Montgolfier, made the first successful manned flight in a hot air balloon. 1903, first powered, controlled flight event. Orville and Wilbur Wright made the first successful powered, controlled flight in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, USA. With the Wright Flyer, this is considered the birth of modern aviation. The Wright brothers' flight lasted 12 seconds, covering 120 feet. 1914, first commercial airline flight event. The first scheduled commercial flight took place between St. Petersburg and Tampa, Florida, using a Benoist 14 biplane. This was the beginning of commercial aviation. 1927, Charles Lindbergh's first solo transatlantic flight event. Charles Lindbergh completed the first solo non-stop transatlantic flight from Roosevelt Field, New York, to Le Bourget Field, Paris, in spirit of St. Louis. 1930s, development of commercial airliners event. In the 1930s, aircraft like the Douglas DC-3 were introduced as commercial airliners, revolutionizing the aviation industry. 6. 1944, Chicago Convention, ICAO formation event. The Chicago Convention was held, leading to the establishment of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, an agency of the United Nations. 7. 1958, launch of the first jet airliner, Boeing 707 event. The Boeing 707, the first successful commercial jet airliner, made its first flight. 8. 1969, first moon landing, Apollo 11 event. Apollo 11 mission landed the first humans on the moon. 9. 1970, launch of the Concorde, supersonic airliner event. The Concorde, a supersonic airliner, made its first commercial flight between London and Paris. 10. 1978, Airline Deregulation Act, USA event. The Airline Deregulation Act was passed in the United States, which removed government control over fares, routes, and market entry for airlines. 11. 1981, introduction of the Boeing 757 event. Boeing 757 made its first flight, a revolutionary twin-engine, single-aisle aircraft designed for medium to long-range flights, offering airlines better fuel efficiency and capacity. 12. 1998, introduction of the Boeing 777 event. The Boeing 777, a wide-body, long-range twin-engine airliner, made its first commercial flight. 13. 2000, introduction of the Airbus A380, world's largest passenger aircraft event. The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, made its first flight. 14. 2001, September 11th attacks, impact on global aviation event. Terrorist attacks in the United States on September 11, 2001, led to significant changes in air travel security, including stricter regulations and enhanced screening measures. 15. 2003, first commercial flight of the Concorde after retirement event. The Concorde's final commercial flight took place in 2003, marking the end of supersonic air travel for commercial passengers. 16. 2009, launch of the Airbus A380 for commercial operations event. The Airbus A380, the largest passenger airliner, was introduced into commercial service with Singapore Airlines. 17. 2010, first commercial flight of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner event. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner made its first commercial flight with All Nippon Airways, ANA. The Dreamliner introduced innovations in fuel efficiency, comfort, and technology, with composite materials making it lighter and more fuel efficient. 18. 2019, development of electric aircraft event. Electric aircraft were developed for short regional flights, marking a potential revolution in sustainable air travel. 19. 2020, COVID-19 pandemic's impact on aviation event. The aviation industry faced unprecedented challenges as global travel restrictions and lockdowns were implemented due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic led to a decline in air traffic, forcing airlines to adapt to new safety measures, including sanitation, social distancing, and contactless check-ins. Thanks for watching DKD Education. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.